Hi, Drew here. Welcome to another episode of Drew's Custom Diecast. Today we're gonna do this little Mazda, known here as the Miata. In Japan, it's the MX-5. Another part of the world is known as that. But we're gonna do a nice little wheel swap, do some details. We'll leave the tampos and stuff. They're not bad. They look kind of cool. But ride on it. The JDM one because it's right-hand drive. And I think it's gonna be a pretty cool car. We're gonna do it on a little bit of a budget. Oh, wrong back tires, or wrong tires. Looks like I got these tires. I got another axle just like it. But we're gonna change this gold ring to a chrome, and we're gonna sand the outer edges. Sand where the tread should be, and kind of give it more of a realistic look. Well, guys, let's see. I guess go ahead and break it apart here and show you kind of what we got here. We got plastic base, metal body, plastic interior, nice little glass. Pretty basic, straight up. Got an intercooler here we can play with. Got roll cage. Do something kind of cool with this interior, I think. So, need to get running up the other axle and get these popped out, and at least get the new ones, and then I might even give a little show how I do the tires. I'm trying to still figure that out. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, well, some plans got a little changed here. I found a little bit better wheels and tires and wheels setup I want to use on it. They're already sanded, so I tricked them out, painted the centers, and then chromed the rim. They look pretty good on this little Mazda. I blended a couple of different colors of silver in here. Well, you can't really pick it out very much. It should help once that's dry, and then I hit that with my little polyurethane floor shine mix. In the body, we got details done. Don't look too bad. Chassis, I still need to chrome this out. And you can't even really tell I hit it with silver. So I hit that with some chrome. Let some things pop, and I'll even hit that little, supposed to be the rearview mirror, I think. Get that and really make this thing look good. Do some nice details. This will be a nice little quick video. A little disappointed, but look at it this way. It's one of the first rice burners I've done. I don't think I've done any JDM. I'm trying to think. No, I take that back. I've done a couple. I think I've done the Datsun pickup and something else. Well, that said, kind of see where we're going. So, let me get some chrome thrown, some floor polish thrown, and let's get this thing ready. Let's see what it looks like. Hang on. All right, this is really it's coming together pretty good. I think it's got a pretty wicked stance. Oh, the trim kind of done up and really sharp. Oh, let's see. Light windshield in like so. Base like so. And yeah, That turned out pretty freaking wicked. That tire's a little tight. Oh well, crap happens. May channel it out here in a little bit. I think about that. Then again, I don't have to worry about it falling off the shelf. It still has a killer damn stance. Screw it. I like it. And now it's really a big out on the shelf. It looks good. I think we'll call that good. Now, guys, hope you like it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. This was a quick little bit, just so we had something, to do. Cause with raining and everything, it got builds I'm kind of getting backed up on. And kind of going nuts. Had to do something, and this came in well in a pinch, considering for some reason I cannot find that Roadster body anywhere, and it's going to drive me absolutely bonkers. Urgh. Oh well, I'll find it one of these days. Probably after I use the parts on something else. That's how it usually goes. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Have a good one. See you next episode.